Hello guys, today we are going to see a module pattern from our design pattern series. Okay, so basically maintaining private and public space is made easier by the module pattern. And you probably figured out that we would utilize the closures and IIFE pattern when we said private, and you are correct. We will use both of these. As we can see in this code, we are exporting uh, as we can see in our code, we are exporting objects from this file. Okay, therefore we export is of the public type. Okay, what does this mean? If we are exporting something from the file, then we can say we are exposing it to the world, like world can access that. Okay, and if world can access anything, so that thing is a public thing. Okay, and however, you can also see that we have established a counter variable that is private because we are not exposing to the world. It is totally a private, we are not exposing it to the world. So, this pattern is, you can say, a module pattern because we can export it and then we can import it into multiple files. Like here you can see we have imported counter module from this, then we have incremented it, then we have reset it. But here you can see that we have told that let counter equal to 0 is private variable. Correct. So what does private mean? Private means we can't access the variable outside of that file, outside of component, outside of anything. So if we access this counter variable from this file to the different file, then we will encounter or we will get the output as undefined. Agree? Okay, let's run this and see. See, we got undefined and counter value prior to reset 1 is coming from here. We have written the console.log. Okay, so this pattern is we called a module pattern which help us to make our files or make our components or make our functions a modular functions or modular files or anything you can say. Okay, so next example in this only, let's delete it and uncomment it. Okay, uncomment. Okay, so let's see how it works. The another example is we are creating a cake. We are creating a variety of cakes in a cake factory. So what happens that this is a staff is working on bake. So he or she is baking, so it is a function of bake. So it is finely baked. Okay, we are exposing it to the world. Now it goes into cake factory. We are importing the baker uh, file, you can see. Then we have created another object, oven. Oven, under oven we can see that we have multiple methods which help us to create a variety of cakes or different items they are including into cakes, like I what are the what are the things we are going to use under cake, and what is the size of cake. Okay, so these things, and we can create multiple methods over here also, like uh, what we can say, choose color of cake. Okay, choose color of cake, you can see. Okay, so you can write anything. Here you can pass color, and this is color, you can pass color. Okay, so you can write anything. So here also we can see that it is exposing to the world. Exposing to the world means we have created the public object. Under this we have variety of functions which we can access outside of this file. Apart from this, we can also see we have let oven count. So this is private one. This is private variable because we are not exposing it to the world. Okay. So now we have created a variety of cakes. Now what we have to do, we have to supply these cakes to the bakery. Okay. Here you can see we have imported this. Now bakery is saying that they want sprinkles on the cake. They want muffin which should be of type large. So like this they can just order, and they can get the cake directly from the cake factory. Now in third line we can see oven count. Okay. So here also we are going to get undefined. The reason is oven count is private variable. Here oven count is private variable. So we are going to see oven count value should be undefined. Now we are going to run our code. See, we are getting undefined. Okay, so this is how the module pattern works. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, so please like it and subscribe it. Thanks guys, let's connect in next video. Bye bye.